always start crochet projects with a slip knot, so I'll demonstrate that for you now. So here's the end of your yarn. You want to leave a little bit of a tail to weave in your ends when you're finished. So we'll start here. So grab the yarn with your index and middle finger of your left hand, down here a little bit. Wrap the yarn around your pointer finger twice and just slide that in with the other one, right? So you're holding both pieces with these two fingers. We have it wrapped around twice. Bring this piece up and over the one next to it, so it looks something like this. Then grab this piece, bring it up and over that one and behind your index finger, and then just let go. And then grab the piece of yarn that's connected to your ball of yarn and just pull to tighten. So now we're ready to bring our crochet hook in. So you're just going to pull this end piece to tighten. So you don't want it too tight, it's still going to move freely up and down the hook.